Fiori di arancio.
The traditional method for making pure orange blossom water uses steam distillation in special copper equipment known as a still. Since most of us don't own a still or have one on hand in the kitchen, another way to make this floral water is by distilling freshly picked blossoms or dried blossoms in simmering water, using everyday kitchen equipment. This will produce orange blossom water that is clear in colour as opposed to other methods which can be orange. While it's not as intensely flavoured as steam distilled floral water varieties, it will still yield a floral water that is fragrant enough to use in recipes. The most common uses for orange blossom water is to make syrup or cakes, but there are so many other ways to use this floral water, including as a natural perfume, as a facial toner or makeup remover, as a hairspray, a room spray, or it can be used in baking or cooking or incorporated into drinks. You can use fresh or dried blossoms in this recipe. If you do not live in an area with orange trees, it may be easier to source dried blossoms, which can be easily ordered online. To make this orange blossom water, start by placing a heat-proof bowl or glass jar in the center of a large saucepan or stockpot. The jar acts as a container to catch the condensing steam that will become the orange blossom water later on. Next, arrange the orange blossoms around the jar, then add just enough water to cover the blossoms in the saucepan, avoiding the glass jar. The jar needs to stay above the level of the water and flowers so it can catch the floral water as it condenses. Place the lid on top, but sit it upside down, then place the pan on medium-low heat. Bring the water to a simmer, then add 2 handfuls of ice to the top of the inverted lid. Let the water simmer for 20 to 25 minutes, adding more ice to the top of the lid as it melts. After simmering, carefully remove the lid, pouring the ice water into the sink. Alternatively, you can keep the water in a separate bowl to use on the garden once it has cooled. Using oven mitts, lift the glass jar of floral water out of the saucepan or stockpot and pour the water into a clean glass bottle or amber dropper bottle using a funnel. From there, it's ready to use. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial on how to make this orange blossom water. Let me know if you try this recipe out yourself and what you think of it. I'd love to know. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day and I'll see you soon again.